In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign with Mailchimp. We'll start right from the beginning, assuming you're already logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. This is where Mailchimp keeps all your existing campaigns and where you'll create new ones. In the Campaigns area, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Create button. The page will reload and you'll see different types of campaigns listed on the left panel, such as email, automations, and landing page. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on an email campaign, so click Email. When you expand the email option, you'll see three choices: regular, plain text, and template. For this tutorial, choose plain text. Plain text emails are simple, clean, and often feel more personal to the recipient. On the right side of the screen, give your email an internal name. This name is just for you and your team to identify the campaign inside Mailchimp. Once you've named it, click Begin. The page will reload, and now you'll choose who will receive this email. You can send it to your entire audience, a specific segment or tag, a particular group, or you can create a new segment on the spot. Take a moment to pick the option that best fits who you want to reach, then click Next Step. On the next screen, you'll set up the details of your email. Add your email subject line up to 150 characters. This is what your subscribers see first, so make it clear and compelling. Below that, add your preview text, again up to 150 characters. This is the short snippet many email clients show next to or under the subject line. You can also edit your from name and from email address if needed, so people recognize who the message is coming from. You'll see options to use the inbox to manage replies and to personalize the to field, which can help your email feel more tailored. If you scroll down, you'll find additional settings for tracking, social media, and auto-converting videos. Review these options and configure anything that's relevant to your campaign goals. When you're done, click Next Step. Now the page will reload and you'll see the screen split into two sides. On the left, you have your plain text email editor. It starts with some placeholder text showing merge tag samples and how they're used. On the right, there's an accordion labeled something like merge tag cheat sheet. If you click it, you'll see a list of all available merge tags, which let you insert dynamic information like a subscriber's first name. Type your plain text message on the left side, replacing the placeholder content. You can include merge tags where appropriate to personalize your email. Take your time to make sure the message is clear, well formatted, and free of typos. When you're happy with the content, click Next Step. The page will reload again, and now you're on the review screen. Here, Mailchimp summarizes key details of your campaign: the audience you're sending to, the subject line, preview text, reply settings, tracking options, and the plain text content itself. Carefully review each item to confirm everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you can either send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If you're ready to go, click Send or Schedule, depending on your preference. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. When you're sure, click Send Now, and that's it. You've successfully created and sent a plain text email campaign in Mailchimp.